How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. There is something that could be happening within the next few hours that would be massive, just insanely bullish for the market. So I want to go through that. We'll keep this video really short because honestly, there's not a ton of crazy stuff happening, but there are a few things that could be really important to pay attention to. So we'll just go over those real briefly. I apologize if you're new to the channel. I had a deviated septum. I got surgery just a few days ago, so that's why this is here. But it's gotten way better, so maybe in the next few videos you might not see it. Appreciate everyone for being so nice about it too. I realize that I sound a bit weird, a bit off. Now, before we get started, if you want to trade crypto, check out BY underneath the video in the link tree. We have this trading get up to $10,000 worth of Bitcoin giveaway competition going on right now. Of course, read the terms and conditions. Make sure you understand what how to trade crypto in the first place if you're going to do it. This is not a guarantee of future results or anything like that. Let's actually roll the disclaimer.
Just a reminder, this is not financial advice. This is not legal advice. Do your own research. I'm never going to reach out to you either in the comment section or through any other means to try to get you to invest in something that I'm investing in or to send me crypto. Some links underneath the video are affiliate links. I may earn a commission, but this is at no extra cost to you. Of course, do your own due diligence.
We do have some people, though, that are getting some pretty big rewards. We've given out, or BY has given out $40,000 over the last two competitions. So it's a way to get some extra capital, and this is paid out in the form of Bitcoin. We've done USDT in the past. We can change it to different cryptos, too. Or BitFi can. By the way, if you want to check out my Telegram underneath the video, people have been getting banned off of YouTube. This happened more and more recently. So if you want, you can check out the Telegram. I have someone that actually works at BitFi or BYDFi in the Telegram, and there's a pinned comment that explains how you can make sure you're signed up under me to get those free rewards. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can reach out to them. So that's pretty awesome that we have that with BYDFi. Now, let's start. Oh, by the way, this link is in the link tree. It's the second one down in the link tree. So click link tree and then go through there. Now, let's look at what's happening, right? We have Bitcoin at 102,600. We've been stuck here kind of a lot recently, right between this $100,000 and $103,000 mark. These candles are crazy, very similar every day. We do have Trump talking last night, I believe it was, or actually this morning, saying that we could see $20 trillion injected into the U.S. economy by the end of 2025. And actually, he said something even bigger after this, which we'll talk about. And there's something big happening today. But some people will say, well, what does this mean, right? We have $20 trillion. That's a huge number. How are we going to inject this into the U.S. economy? The fact is, Trump has been able to cause reinvestment. And this is actually really good for the economy. Right? When, let's say, a business owner makes $1 million. What does the government want them to do? Well, they want them to reinvest that. They want them to spend that money. They don't want them to go, put it in a savings account, right? Sure, maybe that's good for treasuries, but they want that money recycled throughout the economy. And Trump has been able to do a good job of getting that done because he gave some incentives. Especially last time he was president, I remember this. There's some incentives like accelerated depreciation that allow you to get bigger tax write-offs. So I'm thinking he's probably going to pull some of those levers, and then, not only do you get money recycled through the economy, you also get better products. You have to reinvest to get better products, right? You can't go without R&D. You can't go without going through different iterations, of products to get to the best one, right? If we're trying to win the AI race, you need a lot of money reinvested in that to make sure that you have the best products and best technology. So kind of interesting there. We have Trump announcing American citizens will receive a $2,000 tariff dividend. I feel like he's trying to throw this out there just to get people really excited and banking on it, because right now we don't even know if tariffs are even constitutional at this point. So I wouldn't bank on this, but I think he's trying to get some support for it so that way it's really hard to take away the tariffs. And he's trying to point out the things that he's done well, like the positives of the tariffs. Senate is going to vote on the end of the government shutdown today. Now, I haven't looked at the odds of this happening, if if it's likely that they're going to end the government shutdown. But this is the big event that's happening today that could be huge for markets. Very bullish if it's ending. We've seen a lot of uncertainty around it recently, so I hope that it's done. Right? I hope that the politicians stop getting paid for the government being shut down. It's just crazy that they're getting paid while everyday working employees don't get paid. So hopefully this is the end. We'll see though later today. Michael Saylor says best continue, pointing out that he's going to be buying Bitcoin once again today. And we have Bitcoin sitting around this 50 simple moving average, right above it. So I'd be watching this level. This has been kind of the bull market indicator, or the bottom of the bull market consistently, right? We've hit it a couple times here, gotten really close to it, depending on how you manipulate the line a little bit. But we've been right at it a couple times. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw manipulation below it just to freak out the market, right? Like we go down to $95,000. A lot of people that are watching this line turn bearish, sell off their crypto, and then we go back up. Be ready for some manipulation in that way because a lot of people are watching this line now. But right now, the market looks good. Again, if you do want to trade crypto, check out the link underneath the video to BYDeFi. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I hope you're all having a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next